Hi, this is Dharni, currently pursuing my first year bachelor degree in BSc Physician Assistant at Essence College of Allied Health Science. Today I'm going to speak about global warming. Global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation would escape into space, but these pollutants, which can last for years to centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. These heat trapping pollutants, specifically carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor, and synthetic fluorinated gases, are known as greenhouse gases, and their impact is called the greenhouse effect. Though natural cycles and fluctuations have caused the Earth's climate to change several times over the last 80,000 years, our current era of global warming is directly articulatable to the human activity, specifically to our burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, gasoline, and natural gas, which result in the greenhouse effect. In United States, the largest source of greenhouse gas is transportation 29%, followed closely by electricity production 28% and industrial activity 22%. Curbing dangerous climate change requires very deep cuts in emission as well as the use of alternatives to the fossil fuel worldwide. The good news is the countries around the globe have formally committed as part of 2015 Paris Eliminate Agreement to lower their emission by setting new standards and crafting new policies to meet or even exceed those standards. That's the not so good news is we were not working fast enough. To avoid the worst impact to climate change, scientists tell us that we need to reduce global carbon emission by as much as 40% by 2030. For that to happen, the global community must take immediately concert step to decarbonize electricity generation by equitable transition from fossil fuel based on production to renewable energy source like wind and solar. They electrify our cars and trucks and to maximize energy efficiency in our building appliance and industries. Since the Industrial Revolution, the global annual temperature has increased in total by a little more than 1 degree Celsius or about 2 degree Fahrenheit between 1880, the year that accurate record keeping began, and 1980. It rose on average by 0.07 degrees Celsius, 0.13 degree Fahrenheit every 10 years since 1981. However, the rate of increase has more than doubled. For the last 40 years, we have seen the global annual temperature rise by 0.18 degrees Celsius or 0.32 degree Fahrenheit per decade. The result, a planet that has never been hotter. 9 of the 10 warmest years since 1880 have occurred since 2005, and the 5 warmest years of the record have all occurred since 2015. Climate change deniers have argued that there has been a pause or a slowdown in rising global temperatures, but numerous studies, including a 2018 paper published in the journal Environment Research, letters have disapproved this claim. The impact of global warming are already harming people around the world. Now, climate scientists have concluded that we must limit global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2040 if we are to avoid a future in which everyday life around the world is marked by its worst most devastating effect, the extreme droughts, wildfires, food stopping storms, and other disasters that we refer to collectively as climate change. These effects are felt by people in the one or another, but are experienced most acutely by the unprivileged, the economically marginalized, and the people of color for whom climate change is often a key driver of poverty, displacement, hunger, and the social unrest. Thank you.